Let's learn how to send location on WhatsApp. If you find yourself not knowing how to send your location to someone, you don't have to worry anymore. After watching this video until the end, you won't have this problem anymore. The first thing you need to do is open the WhatsApp application. When you open WhatsApp, you will be on the updates page, but you need to be on the page where all your chats are. This page opens when you click on the chats option, which is located at the bottom right next to the settings option. When this page opens, you need to find the chat to which you want to send the location. Once you have found it, enter that chat and all your messages will be there. The next thing you need to do is click on the plus sign located at the bottom left corner of the screen. When you click the plus sign, a menu with 6 options will open, and you need to click on the location option. When you click on location, a page will open with several options. At the bottom of the page, you will see the options to send live location, current location, and nearby places. After choosing what you want to send, just click on that option, and you have successfully sent your location to someone on WhatsApp. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.